Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal login problem. PayPal is a global online payment platform that lets you send or receive money, pay for online purchases and manage your finances securely. Sometimes users face login problems which can happen due to incorrect credentials, security checks, app issues or connectivity problem, and here's a detailed guide to fix them on your iPhone. So first what you can do is you need to verify your internet connection. You can simply go to your notifications over here and you can simply turn off or on your Wi-Fi and also turn on your airplane mode and make sure you have a stable network, Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Refresh the page or the app and restart your router or reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And you can also update if you have not. You can go to your app store and find your PayPal app and check if there's any update available. And if you're using PayPal app, you can check for updates over here. And if problem persists, you can also uninstall or reinstall the app as well. If none work, and after that you can open to your PayPal. Over here you can go to your profile icon in the top right and find over here help on the bottom. Over here, you can also search for frequently asked questions or common questions faced by the users, or you can simply contact people on the PayPal support bottom. Over here, you can go to your resolution center or you can simply dial them. And that is it. This is how I can fix PayPal login problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.